Now we will talk about first time accessing the router. Winbox and Mac Winbox, Webfig and Quickset and default configuration. First time accessing the router using Winbox. So where we can collect the Winbox software. If you go to the MikroTik website, then you can download the Winbox software, then you can able to connect the router using Winbox. Let's see how to download Winbox software. Just go to the software, then you can see the Winbox software is available here. Just click here, then it will be downloaded automatically. After that, our task is log in the MikroTik router using Winbox. Just open it. We have a one MikroTik router connected here. This is a new router. By default, the new router default configuration is 192.168.88.1 and the default username admin, and there is no password. Just try to connect. Now you can able to connect our MikroTik router. Let's see today's topic. We already download and connect using MAC address Webfig. Okay, let's see what is Webfig. Webfig is you can able to connect your MikroTik router from browser as well. The IP address 192.168.88.1, just press enter. Now you can see you are able to connect the router from browser. That's called Webfig. You can see there is option is Webfig. Just click here, and now you can configure your router from browser as well. And there is another option is Quickset. If you want to configure your router quickly, then you can just select Quickset. But as we are learning, we will check step by step all of the configuration using our Winbox software. Let's see. We already checked Webfig and Quickset, and we already know what is the default configuration of MikroTik router. Just we talked about it. Our default configuration of MikroTik router is 192.168.88.1, right? And the default username admin, there is no password. Thank you for watching.